Manual Center Device MCD100, First Time Operation Guide. Focal Position Calibration. Place MCD100 to align the beam of the red dot pointer with the center of the small hole. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to power on. Open the lens cover. Press follow on the wireless remoter, and the cutting head will automatically move to the 1 mm above the window. Observe the beam display on the screen. At focal position, the beam is concentrated, and its position remains unchanged when the device is swung left and right. Not at focal position, situation 1, the beam is scattered, and its position changes when the device is swung left and right, indicating a large offset. An adjustment range of plus or minus 5 mm is recommended. Situation 2, the beam is relatively concentrated, but its position changes when the device is swung left and right, indicating a small offset. An adjustment range of plus or minus 2 mm is recommended. Beam centering. Assume the focal position value is minus 10 mm, and adjust the focus to minus 10 mm. Press follow on the wireless remoter, and the cutting head will automatically move to the 1 mm above the window. Manually adjust the XY knobs on the cutting head while observing the screen. When the beam is not centered, the nozzle outline is displayed in yellow. When the beam is centered, the nozzle outline and beam positioning are displayed in green. After the centering is completed, lift the cutting head and move it away. The device's interface will automatically return to the initial state.